Good morning, everyone, and say good morning to my kitty cats. Hello, February 1st. February na everyone, and still, winter pa dito sa Vermont. I see some beautiful birds hiding in the branches. At school, we've been talking about what birds do in winter. We've learned that some birds migrate. That means they go to a warmer place, and some birds don't. These birds are called resident birds. They stay in this area throughout the winter. I wish I could show you some more videos of birds around our backyard, but I don't really have a lot. So please enjoy the view, and it's really, really beautiful out.